Hi friends, let us learn Excel VLOOKUP data from another sheet. In sheet 3, I have name, university seat number and date of birth. And in sheet 4, I have the names and the total marks. So in sheet 3, I want to know the marks of the name I enter and marks is in another sheet. So for this, let us say that I want to find the marks of Nilesh. Okay, so for this equal to VLOOKUP tab bracket open. So what for the lookup value I am entering E2, that is Nilesh, comma. Now I need to go for the sheet where our marks exist and select the full range. So here I need to select the full range. Okay, so comma, so it is asking me the column index number, so I need the total marks which is available here. So 1 2 3 4 5, fifth one, fifth column, comma, I need the total match, so false, and bracket close, enter. So it will showing me the marks of Nilesh, who has obtained 85. So similarly, let us check for another one. Let me enter, say, Lokesh. So 46. Say Lokesh, he is here, and let us go and check it. His marks here, it is 46. So this is how we do the VLOOKUP when the data is present in the another sheets.